Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel One Two Step. Where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can create your Google Drive link for your photos in your mobile phone. To do so, all you have to do is simply log in into your Google Drive like I already am. After selecting the photo that you want to get the link of, simply click on the three dots option on the right side of it. If you click on it, you can see these type of screen appear. Simply click on the copy link option from there and you'll be able to get the link of your photos copied directly into your clipboard. And now you'll be able to post that link. You should just go from your clipboard and post it to wherever you want, to your friends, your family, or anyone else. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.